Have you ever seen a blue screen suddenly appear on your Windows computer? This is known as the blue screen of death, or BSOD. It indicates a critical system error. The first step is to identify the stop code displayed on the blue screen. Sometimes a blue screen occurs due to a temporary issue, so try restarting your computer first and see if it helps. If the error occurs repeatedly, start Windows in safe mode. This loads only essential drivers and services, making troubleshooting easier. Faulty memory and storage are common causes of system crashes. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic and Disk Check to detect potential hardware issues. Many blue screen errors are caused by incompatible drivers. Update outdated drivers or roll back recently installed ones if the issue started after an update. Corrupted system files can also trigger blue screen errors. Run the System File Checker and DISM tools to repair any damaged Windows files. If the problem started recently, uninstall newly added software, remove connected hardware, or perform a system restore to undo those changes. If the blue screen continues, consider updating the BIOS, replacing faulty hardware, or even performing a clean installation of Windows. Overheating can cause system instability. Ensure adequate airflow, clean dust from fans, and monitor your system temperatures regularly. Most blue screen errors can be resolved through systematic troubleshooting. Stay updated and maintain your hardware for a healthier Windows experience.